Hey friends and family, welcome back to Caribbean J03. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, welcome to the family. I hope you will stick around and join us. Today we're back in the kitchen and I'll be making some delicious roasted pork ribs served with pigeon peas, rice and beans. This is going to be flavorful and hearty meal. So let's get cooking. And before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with friends and family. It will help support the channel. Alright family, let's get into the kitchen and start cooking. Okay, the ribs have been cleaned and washed and seasoned. The magic of television. Anyway guys, now I'm gonna start to put everything in this baking pan that's a tad bit small, but I don't have one in between. I have one that is huge. I wasn't using that. So no judgment over here. Everything I'll be cooking in this pan. It'll fit. Don't tell me it's not gonna fit. It'll fit. Watch me. Alright guys, so now I put all the meat in this pan and we'll pop it in the oven. Friends, guess what? I actually seasoned this meat a couple days in advance and I didn't even record that. I did it a couple days, put it in the fridge, take it out, thaw it for a few minutes, and then it was baking. Guys, oh guys, you know our favorite, the bouillon seasoning. Can't go wrong with that one. Okay, so now we'll put it in the oven, cover it with the foil and put it in the oven for the first half of the cooking. Okay, this is the pigeon peas, rice and beans. Lord guys, I wish if you guys could smell this. Oh, mom. Okay, so the ribs is finished with the first part of the cooking, so I'm gonna remove it. Guys, please don't do what I love to do, and I know I have no idea why, to remove the foil with my hands. Please use a tongue, a fork, anything but your bare hands. That steam is no joke, but that happened die hard. Anyway guys, look at that. Ooh. This is cooking in its own liquid there. I'll put this back in the oven without the cover. Oh, I wish if you guys could smell this. Oh my lord, it smells so good. I can't wait to taste this. This sure looking good here. Looking bleeding good. Put this back in the oven uncovered. Guys, look how beautiful they look uncovered. Just want to lick it. Too hot. Oops. Oh Lord gee. Oh my Lord. Oh, then there is not even the word. This is done. But I'm gonna thicken it just a little bit of cornstarch. Put it back in the oven for a few minutes. Oh Lord guys, I haven't done this in so long. It's been a long time since I've done stewed pork. Well, roast pork. I haven't done roast pork in a long time. Roast pork ribs. Taste a piece of it. Okay, so now I'm adding cornstarch and water. It's going to be my thickening agent for this roast, and I'm just putting it on each side, on the two ends and the middle. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to use the rocking motion to combine the thickening agent with the gravy that's inside. I just need to make sure to have gravy because in my family they don't do the dry meal anything. Don't dry nothing. So we always make sure to have some kind of sauce, some kind of gravy, whichever way you put it. That's what we need. And the spice. Oh, ooh, look at that. And the spice. Oh, that cake. Okay, I'll put this back in the oven for a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Ooh, look at that, the bone cake. Get right off the bone. Okay, I'm just gonna try to baste them, and we'll leave it at that. Yes, I don't want them breaking up. If I do that, okay, let's do that. Okay, now guys, I did some pigeon peas rice, pigeon peas and rice. Oh my lord, that came out so good. And I'm gonna have it with this. That's how I'm serving it. And I have some arugula. I have a thing of arugula that I'm using. I have to use up, so I didn't saute any vegetables because that's what I have to use this week. If I saute anything else, I'm not gonna eat it. But if I don't have anything else but that, I'll eat it. So, all right, I need a pick. No, you know. Let me get a picture for my thumbnail. Okay, I'll do my picture for my thumbnail. So let's do this. I'm gonna set up a plate. The only problem with it, I'm not hungry. That's why sometimes I don't have a plate set up, because when I'm finished cooking, I'm not hungry and someone has to eat it. But I think I know what I'm gonna do. Give me a minute, guys. And there you have it, family. Our delicious roasted pork ribs served with pigeon peas, rice and beans is all done. Look at how good this turned out. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Caribbean J03, and share it with your family and friends. And leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching, for always supporting my channel. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, stay safe, God bless, and I will see you in my next video.